Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use two command is discussed here. First is projection and second is intersection. Okay, two command is very important because this is a wireframe and surface design command. Okay, this command is very important, and this command is very important because this command is a use in CATIA, and this is a wireframe and surface design command. Okay guys, today CATIA lecture 66 is discussed here, and CATIA all 3D commands learn easily, explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, and 2 point is one by one is discussed here, and this is a very important command in surface design. Okay, and surface design is very useful and very helpful for any surface design in CATIA. This is very helpful and useful command today discuss here. Okay, at first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and okay, at first select a plane, XY plane, and sketch any spline. Okay, this is a spline. Exit and use a this is a this. Okay, and okay, this is a correct, and this is a surface. Okay, and draw a any circle, and this plane is a select here. Okay, and draw a any circle. Okay, draw a any circle, and circle is a this. Okay, exit. Okay, this circle is not touch here. Okay, this is a circle is a this circle is this is a not touch here. Okay, this is a gap between this, but use a projection command and intersection command, both is discussed here, and two command is very useful and helpful in wireframe and CATIA. Wireframe and surface design use in CATIA, and this is a very helpful and useful in surface design in CATIA. Okay, at first click here projection. Okay, and then okay, projection type normal and projected. This is a surface, this is a line. Okay, and support this surface. Okay, this is a okay, this click here, and another circle is draw here. A circle is only this body is touch here, perfectly touch here, and this is a important. Okay, this is a this circle is drawing at first, and this circle is a projection. Okay, projection is a connect here, and some useful command is a split command, and then okay, then split definition is pop up, and element is cut. This body is, and this element is cut, and this is a correct. Okay, use a this body is preview is showing here. This is a okay, and this is a this command is very useful and helpful in design in surface command in use in CATIA. Okay, and next command is projection, and some use a okay, this is undo. Okay, this is a correct, and use a extrude this body. Okay, this body is drag here, and this is a drag here. Okay, okay, this. Okay, and some useful intersection command is drawing here, and this. Okay, at first element this, and second element this. Okay, this is a okay, and again this circle is a above this surface, and this circle, again a circle is drawing here, this touch this surface. Okay, this is a circle is a drawing, this is a intersection. Okay, this is a use in intersection. Okay, use a intersection, and again use a split, and element is cut this surface, and element is cut this, and this body is a cut here. Okay, this body is a cut here. Okay, and this cylinder is drawing this surface, then middle face is a lock, middle face is a pike. Okay, you can see here, and this middle, okay, this surface is cut here, and use a projection command. Okay, okay, and use a projection command, and projection command is use, and this create a touch circle, and use a split. Okay, and this okay, this okay, split command is used, and select this body and cut here, this is a this. Okay, and this face is cut here, preview is showing here, this is a okay. Okay, this is a very useful and helpful, because cylinder middle touching point all is a cut here. Okay, this is a cylinder. Okay, okay, this is a nice, both is discussed here, and some is a colorful. Okay, drawing here, and okay, any this body is a okay, this body split command is used. Okay, split command is used, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, undo. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and some color is used, color is a this is a blue, and this body, this cylinder is a use a color. Okay, this is a hide. Okay, control Z, and not work, undo. Okay, and this is a property, and color is a this is a blue color. Okay, this is perfect, and this body is a hide. Okay, okay, and this curve is draw here, hide, curve is hide, and also plane is also hide, because this drawing a clear look here. Okay, this is a hide, and also this is a hide. Okay, this is hide. Okay, perfect, looking a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a correct. Okay, guys, next lecture is coming soon, because two command is discussed here. First is a projection, and second is a intersection. and both command is very helpful and useful in CATIA, and more useful in wireframe and surface design. Command very useful and helpful in CATIA design, and any new create a design then very helpful. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon, and I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt this lecture, then you go to comment box and you write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.